Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sonia, so welcome. So for today's look, I created this rose gold smoked out look for Eid, which is taking place this weekend. I'm not quite sure how the whole large gathering is going to be happening due to the pandemic, but I do know for a fact that my mom's good cooking is still happening, so I'm excited. But yeah, so anyways, this, by the way, is not my natural hair. I wish it was, but my natural hair is actually wavy curly and it starts from here. This is actually due to braiding it. So I just undid it and that's why it looks crazy, but give it like a couple hours and it might settle down a bit. But anyways, if you guys like to know how I created this look, just keep watching. I've already done my full face. I'll have all the details down below, but what I'm doing is picking up this light pink shade from Makeup Revolution's Neutrals 2 palette and just blending it into my crease. Next, I'll be taking this dusty pink color and applying it at the crease just to deepen up the tones. Be sure that you're creating that feather-like effect at the edges where it creates an eyeshadow wing look. With the flat brush, I'm going to pick up Tart Shape Tape and create a cut crease. This will allow the eyeshadow to pop, but be sure that you're fading this out at the midpoint. That way it has a smooth transition. Going in with a dose of color in the color Shall We Dance, I'm just going to press in the eyeshadow where I applied the concealer. Going in with this dose of color Loose Pigment in the color Shell, I'm going to apply this right at the inner corners of my eyes. That way it will allow my eyes to pop. I'm going to grab these two colors and apply it slightly above my crease. This will not only deepen up the crease, but will also make the shimmer colors look more bold. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Fever palette, and I'm going to take those two colors and pretty much smoke out my eyes. Be sure you're creating that feather-like effect, that way it gives it a more dramatic cat eye look. Going back in with the Neutrals 2 palette, I'm going to pick up that light pink shade and apply it at the lower lash line. I want to create a smoky effect, so I'm going to gradually build that color up. I'm going to grab this dusty pink color and apply this shadow a lot closer to my lash line. Just be sure to buff this color out to the point where it connects to the top shadow. You want to create that cat eye look. I'm going to go in with the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Eyeliner and create a very dramatic wing look. The felt tip of this eyeliner is so sharp that you're able to achieve that very clean wing look. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner and I'm going to apply this right at my waterline. This is going to allow me to achieve that smoked out look that I want. And as you can see, it makes a difference when you apply black eyeliner. Off camera, I used these Kiss False Lashes using the Huda Beauty Sticky Tech Glue. This glue is so worth it. I'm going to go in with the Telescopic Mascara, which is my favorite for my lower lashes, and I'm just going to apply that. Using the LA Girl lip liner in the color Keep It Spicy, I'm going to just define my lip shape. Excuse that face, I'm just contemplating if I want to use this color, but using the Bobbi Brown Saison Nude, I'm going to apply that. I wanted something that wouldn't overpower my eyes, so thought this would be the best color. So there you have the full glam Eid look. I had so much fun creating this look and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video.